Hi guys, exciting day for us today. Is a new brand, no secrets for what it is, and it's something that we've been working on for quite a while, waiting for stock to be available, and finally we have our first two frames in stock. So let's crack in, let's get it here, let's get the box open. Look at that, you can get a nice flashy box for carbon seat post, all wrapped, and it's wrapped carefully because look at that detail. Look at that. Oh, forks. Wow, look at them. Yeah, that paintwork is something else. Put that away carefully. Here we go. Very carefully. There we are, look. So obviously this is a V3R. This is the race frame. Full carbon, lots of little detailing, all that nice paintwork down on the tubing there. Follows all the way through. Really tidy finish. Yeah, beautiful piece of work. Incredibly lightweight. Beautiful, eh? We can go over the next box. Brand new and super hard work to get hold of these bikes. There we go. The all new C68 frame. Look at that. So it still keeps a little bit of detailing around the head tube. Traditional colour. Flag detailing on there. We've got the special chip there for identification purposes. And then every frame is labelled individually. That is nice. So there we go guys, brand new C68 in stock now. More to follow at some point. Bespoke builds available. Later on down the line, full bikes will be available, but to start with it is just frame only. And if you are keen, you are interested, either come and have a look or give us a call, we'll have a chat and see if we can put together your dream build.